Today for breakfast, I am making a mango raspberry smoothie. The ingredients are frozen raspberries, frozen mangoes, leafy greens, protein powder, and coconut milk. I put them in the blender and blend until smooth. This smoothie is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. It's rich in vitamins and minerals. Both raspberries and mangoes contain antioxidants that help protect against cell damage and inflammation. It also supports healthy gut bacteria. For a snack this morning, I made vegan carrot zucchini muffins. I start by washing and peeling the carrots. Then grate the carrots until you get about 1 cup. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A. This vitamin supports immune function and reduces inflammation. Then we'll wash, peel, and grate a zucchini, resulting in about 1 cup of grated zucchini. Zucchini is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds such as vitamin C and beta-carotene. Squeeze out the excess liquid from the grated zucchini by placing it in a cheesecloth over a bowl. Once you squeeze out all the liquid, you should have a compact ball of grated zucchini. In a large bowl, we're going to mix the ingredients together. The carrot, the drained zucchini, flax meal, oat milk, coconut sugar, applesauce, and coconut oil. If you like it a little sweeter, you can add a little maple syrup, optional. Add the flour, walnuts, cinnamon and nutmeg, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Gently mix until just combine. Do not overmix the batter or the muffins will be tough. I pre-greased the muffin pan with butter before inserting the batter, but you can use muffin liners as well for easy cleanup. Bake at 350 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick insert into the middle of the muffin comes out clean and the tops are golden brown. For lunch today, I'm making a salad with maple vinaigrette dressing. Fill a bowl with your favorite greens. Today I'm using organic spring mix. 1 small apple chopped, half of red onion chopped, 1/3 cup of chopped walnuts. Walnuts have healthy fats, protein, and fiber that can help you stay full and satisfied. And 1/4 cup of cranberries. For the maple vinaigrette dressing, I use 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 to 2 tablespoons of organic maple syrup, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir and pour over your delicious salad. Today for dinner, I'm making Italian seasoned chicken and roasted root vegetables. I use Nature's Promise chicken, no artificial ingredients, no growth hormones, and no antibiotics, full of protein. After rinsing the chicken, you want to pat dry and place on a piece of wax paper. You want to take the meat tenderizer and tenderize the chicken. On a shallow plate, sprinkle Italian seasonings with some salt and pepper, or use whatever favorite seasoning that you like. Coat both sides of the chicken and then place aside. Drizzle olive oil in a pan on medium-high heat. Cook the chicken 1 to 2 minutes per side until golden brown. Then in a Pyrex dish, I like to pour a little chicken bone broth on the bottom of the pan so it helps to keep the chicken moist while baking. Place the chicken in the pan as you don't want to overcrowd. Bake 400 degrees for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. This is an easy, quick meal and one of my family favorites. For our roasted root vegetables, we're going to wash our sweet potatoes, beets, and carrots. We're going to peel our carrots and chop about 5 carrots into bite-sized pieces. Then we're going to peel 2 to 3 sweet potatoes and chop them into bite-sized pieces as well. Sweet potatoes are a nutrient-rich food with numerous benefits. They're rich in vitamins and minerals and an excellent source of vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. They also have antioxidant properties. Peel 4 beets and chop into bite-sized pieces. Use gloves while chopping beets or it will stain your hands. As you can see, I do not use gloves while I'm cooking, and my hands were red after this. Put all the vegetables into a large bowl and add salt and pepper, a 1/4 cup melted coconut oil, drizzle maple syrup, then chop up some fresh rosemary. Rosemary has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Toss and coat all the ingredients and drizzle a little olive oil if needed. Transfer the vegetables onto a baking sheet. I line mine with foil for easy cleanup. You don't want to overcrowd the vegetables or they won't cook evenly. Roast the vegetables in the oven for 400 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes, turning over halfway through cooking. For dessert, we'll be making a dark chocolate bark. For this recipe, you want to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. The ingredients we'll be using is unsweetened cocoa powder, coconut oil, coconut sugar, and protein powder. First, we're going to melt the coconut oil in a pan. Once the coconut oil is melted, we're going to remove from the heat. Gently add the cocoa powder to the pan so you don't make a mess like I did. Then add the protein powder and the coconut sugar and stir until the mixture resembles melted chocolate. This is a dark chocolate, not very sweet. You may want to add as much sugar as you like, but I'm trying to reduce my sugar intake. So just taste the melted chocolate to see how it suits your taste buds. Pour the chocolate mixture into the prepared pan, spoon the chocolate into the sides, sprinkle toppings of your choice. I used coconut flakes and sea salt. After you're finished placing your toppings, place in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes until firm. After about 30 minutes, remove the pan from the fridge and break the chocolate into pieces. Did you know cocoa powder is a delightful and nutritious ingredient? It's rich in flavonoids, which possesses antioxidant properties. These flavonoids can also act as mood boosters that can help elevate mood. Additionally, the heart health benefits of cocoa powder, as the flavonoids may help lower blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health. Store the chocolate in an airtight container and enjoy during the week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more videos on anti-inflammatory foods, please drop a comment below. Thank you for watching.